Why not speak Chinese? Why not?
Just Thai, beauty you Chinese. 你好。
Repeat after me. 10.
有嚟啦！
如果你有辦法嘅話，唔使難㗎，總之啦。我覺得咧，以後咧，除咗公司之外咧，之前。
This Chinese character means 10 in English. This is its syllable 10. Repeat after me. 10.